it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so very much to FabFitFun for partnering with me to bring you today's bonus video. And I'm not gonna lie, pretty sure I do a happy dance and I might squeal just a little bit every time one of these boxes shows up on my front porch because I know there are gonna be so many amazing things inside. And their spring box has beautiful butterflies all over it, and that has to do with their theme for this spring season, and that is metamorphosis. So all of the items in this box are going to highlight the beauty of transformation and positive change. If you're new to FabFitFun, it is a seasonal subscription box that comes out 4 times a year, and it includes full-size fashion, beauty, and wellness products. That's why I'm always super excited to see what comes inside my box, because you're gonna get a $200 retail value or more in products, and you're only gonna pay $49.99 per season. But if you use my discount code, which is TheDailyDIYer, you will get $10 off your very first box, and I'll make sure to link that down in the description box for more information on that. So your very first box will only be $39.99. They also partner with charities each season and female-founded companies. And I think that is so amazing and so super cool. So we're gonna go ahead and dive right into this box and see all of the products that are included in my own personal spring FabFitFun box. I'm also gonna add up all the retail value, and at the end of this video, I'll share with you what a big savings it really is. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. Look at all of these stuff inside. I can't believe this is only $49.99. Or $39.99 if you use my code DailyDIYer for your first box. You would get all of this. And actually you can go on there and sort of personalize and choose some of the items that come in your box too. So I know I chose a few of these items, but a lot of them are also a surprise. So I love digging in, opening the box and seeing what comes. Okay, so the very first thing is an umbrella. Look how cute. It's got blue with yellow flowers. We're getting ready for spring. This is definitely, I'm gonna have to open this. This is bad luck, but I'm totally open. It's got ruffles on it. And it has a button that says, "Don't rain on my parade." Okay, so let's open this. How cute. I'll like show this in a wider shot so you can see it all together, or all opened, but how cute is that? Definitely gonna need that for springtime. Also, it's in a pretty bag too, but it is a chrome brush. It says it's Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. We all need a new one of these now and again. You know, I always just use the same brush all the time. Of course you clean it out, but it's just a nice way to pamper yourself whenever you can like have brand new things. And look how shiny and pretty. It's simple things, but these are the things that really make you feel special. And this one is by the brand Aria Beauty. Next is a tiered necklace set, or it's actually just one necklace. It's just got the 2 tiers on it with pretty gold medallions. This is by Amber Screets. I know this is one of those items I gotta choose in my box. I love jewelry, so actually I may put this on and wear this now because it will match my outfit. So let me put this on real quick. Okay, so here you go. Look how pretty. This would be really pretty if you have kind of a lower cut shirt too, but you could layer this up over even something a little more solid in color. But oh, it's gorgeous, and it's adjustable too, so you can even make it tighter or you can let it hang lower. I love this. You'll definitely be seeing me wearing this in videos. Now this product looks interesting. It is a Veen thermal spring water, and it says that it infuses the skin with hydrating, soothing antioxidant water. So it's basically like an aerosol can spray that you can spray, and then it nicely hydrates your skin. You can use it all over your body. You don't just have to use it on your face. I'm also excited about this. This is Love Script, and it says, your body is a temple, worship it, which is so true. And this is a body wash. I can't wait to use this. It just smells luxurious, if that makes sense. It's just got that kind of scent to it that makes you just feel all warm and fuzzy inside. So definitely something I'll be pampering myself with very, very soon. And this is really, really cool. It is by This Works. It says Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. It's a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. So just basically a lotion that smells really good, and then you rub it on before you go to bed, and then it helps you sleep so you get better sleep at night. Oh my goodness, it has that lavender smell, which is very relaxing, so you can go to sleep a little bit easier, and then you'll have brighter mornings. You guys know I love makeup too. This is by Wander Beauty, and it is a mascara. It comes in a really cool looking tube, and it says Mile High Club on it. So I'm assuming this is for really big lashes. Let me see if I can do this in the camera. So I already have some mascara on, but we're gonna plump them up a little bit. Yeah, I'm making some great faces for you, but gotta try it out, you know? So, very, very cool. I've never had one in a tube like this, so that'll be cool to try. And last but not least, it says it is by Donnie, and it is a cardigan. So it's kind of like a big, comfy cardigan. It has a little pocket in the front that you can throw on over a t-shirt or a long sleeve shirt. I'll go try this on and show you in just a minute. Oh my God, it's almost like a robe. It's really big and comfy. So cute if you layered this up with a couple different shirts underneath it. Just throw it on and have it for nice, cozy, comfy wear, whether you're lounging around or you need to run out of the house really quick. Very, very stylish. All right, so like I said, I wanted to go through each one of these items, add up their suggested retail value, and then give you a total value of this box at the end of this video. So let me go through each item. There were 8 items in this box total, and this is what the actual manufacturer of these products is suggesting for retail price. It says that the Donnie ribbed sweater coat has a value of $99. So that very first item all by itself is already double what you have paid for the box by itself. So we still have 7 more items to go through. The umbrella has a $40 value. The coin necklace that I'm wearing has $50 value. I think that's probably spot on. That's probably what something like this would definitely cost you. The detangler brush is $35. The body wash is $28. The body cocoon lotion has a $40 value. Next is the mascara that has a $26 value. And last, the spring water has a suggested retail value of $14, which brings the whole total of the value of this one box to $332. So that just totally blows my mind. You're getting high-end products for such a great price. You can use my discount code, again, DailyDIYer, to save $10 off your very first box. You won't regret it. I never ever do. I always love everything that comes, or I just try it out and maybe I didn't realize it was something I needed or wanted, and now I absolutely love it all. And I'll make sure to put more information in the description box below. Thank you again to FabFitFun for partnering with me to bring you today's video. So super fun. I enjoy these so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.